Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can delete Facebook page posts all at once. To start, open your Facebook page through your Meta Business Suite. Now just tap on your profile page. Now right here on your home page, you can scroll down until you see this option, Manage Post. Just tap on that. Now right here, we can see different options. But what we're going to do is to go to published. And then right here, you can see the post or the pictures that you have posted recently. Just tap on select all. And then what we're going to do is to tap on edit. It will then give you an option to delete all of your pictures. Now just tap on move to trash. Items in your trash are deleted after 30 days. And that's it! I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.